feel like we're moving out.
No, don't say that.
One day trip to New York.
I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Everything good?
That the rest of that down. She'll eat it a little bit.
I grabbed some.
Dirty love now feels so sweet.
Where are we?
We are at the beach, I believe in New Jersey. New Jersey Beach. First time for both of us. And she's hungry. And it's very entertaining because the waves are all bigger than her, so she pushes me under to live and survive.
I'm like right here. It's fucking cold, guys. Ah! I have to be so badly.
We got cold.
So we just went to the beach to hit the waves. Literally, with our body. Hit the waves with our body.
And drown me.
And drown.
I would hold her up and
I would do this to him. Like, I'd hold his shoulder and like, oh!
as I go to jump, which means I go back under and she goes double.
I go up more twice and he goes drowning. Oh, we should ride that. That's so lame. All right, what did you get, baby?
I got a cheesesteak with onions and peppers.
Nice.
And you got cheese fries.
And funnel cake.
Funnel cake's next.
Shake your booty, shake your booty, shake it out. I don't think we can go to the hotel looking like this.
I think we can.
At least wear a shirt. With a snotty shirt. Getting rid of the sand on my feet. Oh, we are back in the car and we are gonna go to our hotel. That's cute. We are at a New Jersey Jollibee and it is very, very crowded. Guys, look at the line. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Are you hungry? I'm starving.
Better check my profile, image of me in your memory. But I'd rather don't smile, just keep them on your SD.
Alright, so we're trying to. Oh, hello, gorgeous.
You still need to use the
I
wipe.
know, one more.
So we sprayed the thing with Lysol, but it's...
Did you put your debit card back?
Yes, I did.
Alright. How do I insert it?
In here.
Oh. We're here until 9:37.
What time is it?
9:20. Open it. No. Keys in there?
Keys are in my pocket.
Alright, let's explore New York.
Wash your hands.
The window on the car is so foggy, but city that never sleeps, Tokyo. I didn't really get to vlog last night, so today we're going to Upper Manhattan, see if there's any breakfast. Actually, we're going to go to breakfast, have breakfast there, and then we'll just walk around, maybe Empire State Building, and then go home. My and so we're at New York right now,
New
the
York.
Actual city, and we're just walking around. We're trying to go to Central Park. Yeah. All right, mister, where are we?
We're at the
Right here.
Smith. I had to look. The Smith for
It's
breakfast.
outdoor.
Right. Actually, it's our first time eating out at a restaurant since COVID.
I ordered Arnold Palmer and simple
French toast.
French toast. What'd you order?
I ordered shrimp and grits.
Okay, you're gross.
Oh my god, you put that on camera.
New routine, and I'll take it other than the consequences.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, just so I don't have to like keep interrupting you guys with the whole mask routine. If you guys do ever need anything, just both throw your masks on, and then I'll know to pop over to the table.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Is this C? Good order. Look how small yours is. Ta-da! I
did it.
finished my salad and eggs.
I finished everything.
Was it good?
Delicious.
It's vanilla French toast with caramelized banana.
And it's so freaking good. And I'm so freaking full.
We're in the mountainside now.
The mountainside. Yeah,
Just
there's the
kidding. The bridge is right
old May
there.
retaining wall and what looks to be a missile. And
this so. Turn left. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know where. I don't have the maps right now. I'm currently vlogging.
Oh.
I'm the map person, and yeah, I don't have the maps because I think you have an idea now. All right, what's your idea? What are we doing?
I have no honest idea.
No? All right, baby. I'm taking you on a helicopter ride around New York City.
Yeah?
Yes.
I've never been in a helicopter. That's
Neither have I.
awesome.
You excited? You've never done it before.
I've never done it.
I've never done it before.
What is your name?
Ira.
Ira?
Is that ours?
Well, I don't see any others.
Lights low, hands in the air. Follow me into the land of anywhere. Will I get in trouble when I'm messing up your hair now? Baby, don't you dare. Glitter on your neckline, glitter on your face. So far gone, we take it out of space. Don't know where we come from, human race. Purple haze. Fell in love with your silhouette. I know you like to show it off on the internet. Put a ring next to where your middle finger set. Got you traded for some drinks and a cigarette. Smoke so thick, I forgot what you told me. Snow caps are the reason for your nosebleed. 5 a.m. once again, no sleep. Can you see your pretty face in my goatee? I hold you tight like a globe. Take out a rave, moving like you getting paid. Just hit 2 weeks worth of blow on one single day. Driven like in an arcade.
Alright, outfit change. That was really fun, except the eggs that I had for breakfast did not sit well in my stomach. It was so much fun. What did you think of it?
I loved it. So cool. First time on a helicopter.
And then maybe next time we'll have like the doors off instead of doors on. Thanks, baby, for driving.
Thank you for the wonderful anniversary.
Never felt so sweet now. Dirty loving never felt so sweet.